Hello everybody, how are you? I hope everyone well. So this video I can talk about OnePlus Nord 2. So let's get started the video. The OnePlus Nord was launched in July last year to focus on the sub 25,000 price segment. As OnePlus flagship got more and more expensive, the OnePlus Nord promised good performance at a somewhat more affordable price. Now it has been discontinued, clearing the way of an even more affordable model, the Note CE 5G, and its true successor, the OnePlus Nord 2 5G. This new OnePlus smartphone has an improved camera setup and a MediaTek Dimensity processor. I got my hands on the OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and here are my first impression of the device. The OnePlus Nord 2 starts 20,000 in India for the base variant, which is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. There are two more variants of the OnePlus Nord 2, one with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and finally 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Their price are 30,000 and 35,000 respectively. I had at the top of the line variant with me for review. The OnePlus Nord 2 start 28,000 in India for the base variant, which has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. There are two more variants of the OnePlus Nord 2, one with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and finally 12GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. These are priced 30,000 and 35,000 respectively. I had the top of the line variant with me for review. The OnePlus Nord 2 like familiar and seems in place along with the OnePlus 9 series and the OnePlus Nord CE 5G review. Picking up the OnePlus Nord 2, it instantly feels premium to the touch. It has 6.43-inch display with a camera hole in the top left corner for its 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The OnePlus Nord 2 5G shows sports and AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. It also has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection for the display as well as the back. The mid frame of the OnePlus Nord 2 5G is made out the plastic. On the right side, it has the power button and the alert slider, which is missing on the OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and on the left are the volume buttons. I found the button placement to be quite good, and reaching them wasn't an issue during one-hand use. The USB Type-C port, loudspeaker, SIM tray, and primary mic are at the bottom, while the secondary mic is at the top. The OnePlus Nord 2 5G has dual speaker. The earpieces double up as the secondary speaker for the stereo sound. On the back, the OnePlus Nord 2 5G has the triple camera setup, and the camera module bears some resemblance with that of the OnePlus 9R review. The camera module consists of a 15 megapixel primary camera with an 1.88 aperture and OIS. There's also 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with EIS and 22.25 aperture. These two sensors look like they have big lens, while the 2 megapixel mono camera is smaller and sits next to the flash. The OnePlus logo is slap bang the center of the rear panel. OnePlus offered the Nord 2 5G in three colors option: gray, Syrah, blue hazy, and the Indian exclusive green wood. I had a blue hazy unit with me, and it didn't pick up smudges easily. OnePlus also offers a case in the box. The phone weighs 189 gram and is 8.25 mm thick. It doesn't feel very bulky, and one-handed use is possible. OnePlus opted for a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, which has been somewhat customized with additional all processing power to create the Dimensity 1200, all according to both companies. This also a little surprising, since other OnePlus devices so far have been powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon's processor. There are 6GB, 8GB, and 12GB RAM options with 128GB storage for the lower two and 256GB on the highest one. Storage is non-expensive, and the Note 2 5G only has 2 nano SIM slots with support for dual 5G. There is also support for Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and 5 satellite navigation system. The OnePlus 2 5G packs in the 4500 mAh battery and comes with a warp charge 65 charger in the box. The OnePlus Nord 2 5G runs Oxygen OS 11.3 based on Android 11. My unit had the June Android security patch. The UI is clean and only a few Google and OnePlus apps plus Netflix were pre-installed. I didn't have any issue navigation through the UI and found to be intuitive to use. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner is quick to unlock the device given the 12 GB RAM that my review units had. I didn't face any hiccups while multitasking. The enhanced MediaTek Dimensity to 1200 all showed a lot of promise, and it will be interesting to test. OnePlus claims that their additional camera, gaming, and display features enabled by the all enhancement. The Realme X7 Max 5G review and the upcoming Poco F3 GT are two smartphones with the same SoC minis OnePlus customization, so it will be interesting to see how the OnePlus Nord 2 5G fares. Overall, the OnePlus Nord 2 5G seems like an upgrade over the original Note in very respect based on the specifics. However, it has gone up in price as well, so it will be interesting to see if this new smartphone is still offers good value for money, or whether you don't be better off with Note C 5G. I will be putting the Note 2 5G through benchmark and camera tests, so stay tuned to Infleeps for the full review coming up soon. Thank you.